At $16,125 including destination, the Hyundai Accent is one of the most affordable new sedans on the market. And for the 2020 model year, it's also much more fuel efficient. When equipped with the optional continuously variable transmission, MPGs and combined driving jump from 32 to 36 over the previous car's 6-speed automatic. SmartStream is the name Hyundai has given to this new powertrain, which still uses a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, but one that curiously reverts back to port injection from direct injection to produce a little less power, but also saving the typical owner $150 per year at the pump. Paired to Hyundai's in-house developed CVT they call an intelligent variable transmission, or to the standard 6-speed manual available only on the base model. Output is rated at 120 horsepower and 113 pound-feet of torque. I've driven other models with the company's IVT, and it's extremely well done, with more of a traditional automatic feel. Duking it out with the likes of the all-new 2020 Nissan Versa and the Mitsubishi Mirage G4, the Accent includes a standard rear-view camera and a 5-inch color touchscreen, while higher trims like the Accent SEL and Limited can be optioned with goodies like heated seats, push-button start, auto climate control, a bigger display audio system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and the segment's first hands-free smart trunk release. And on the safety front, the Limited trim, which is priced at just over $20,000, even comes with forward collision avoidance assist. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammes.